What is good, people? We are making a run into the town. I always like to slow down beside these big units. The clutch here won't adjust cause it a slip. Make your bike a slip gear. Terrible, man. I think the pressure in our back wheel won't adjust too. Like too much pressure there in our back wheel. I've watching car boy, you know, some of them come upside here, you know, and open door pan you know, like the boy want to come rob you and all them things there, you know? So watch them car boy, you know. Out the police. No police. No police. You know, some could actually go left and go around. Me not have to stop. It's like me so used to like driving. It's like I'm such a law-abiding citizen right now. It's like, you see me? It's like me forget how to be a bike man. Now the dog face white and him body black. Not no nice like bike life, brother. Me tell you that's the truth, man. That's the truth. Nothing in life, nothing in nice like a bike life. Well, very big leg. Come here, tell you, if anybody there ever friggin' open door for me right there, you see I mash up on the bum backyard. Mash up that shit. Be a speed bump to run us right now. Right. Stop run a bike that can try to get a quick adjustment on the on this I don't like how it feel they're too far out. This is what my old car looked like. Well, not look like in terms of the body shape. This is so. Cause my car never have no sort of body work on it. Woohoo! Woo woo! Hey! Mama the whitey? Lord, no, Mama look like she didn't even touch sun. Banging. Rotted. Oh, this. Go on. The whiz of all whiz. Oh, this fried chicken boss. Jax, how me adjust them clutch, brother? This here. Oh. Eh? Oh. Gonna? We're on a Cargill Avenue, see me can get some clips and more, whatever them name. What you do, brother? What? One day I could have go up this and just go around this. It's for Cargill then now. Balmoral Avenue. Skibidi boop. You make it find a place. Oh shit. Lucky phone. You know me, I take you one way? Take you one way now. Alright, over here so. I mean, now go back around this and the blood now drive me a drive. Like on Cargill Avenue. Where's Panda again? pass them, you know? Cry my pass. Cry my pass. Clips rotted, see them, Yo! Yo! I said my pass them, I didn't even reach the blood, lad. Clips and more, Clips and more specialist. You know, say, I should have carry one sample to blow. So forward. You know, say, either I gotta run out of battery life or memory. I have 20 minutes remaining memory and 20% battery life. So, whichever one comes first. So, there are clips and more specialist. I not get no clip. Try to get some clips for my bumper. Is it? I'm gonna check on a bird. Check on a bird. Right now them fix the road, so you have to be very careful because them dig out the road. So you have to be very careful. I check the birds today on Mullines Road. You know some should actually go back that side. That I should do it instead of come back out here so to shit. That me should I do. I move like say I carry my blood now I drive. I grew up on Mullines Road. Shouldn't even take that road and road that bad like one. Check down our birds, check down our chance. Oh shit! Be a blood not patrol. Me dog going up, me now bother. Ah. $2,000 damn. What the bomb bodies? Taxi boy, I move so. Well boy, move up in that line man, you know if you stay between vehicles. Boy, let me crush your backside. Yeah! What I rode your name, I didn't even remember. I'm go up on Mullines Road and go straight. Don't have birds. If birds not have none, I go down a chance. One day me there when I start driving on a bike, man, drop off right in front of me. Frighten your friend. I him did I do the most still. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart. And I was, oh my god, shamed, quite ashamed. Operation I go on, yeah. Operation I go on, yeah. Whoa, holes, man. That's the thing with Jamaica, bruv. You get a lot of holes. Should check around a chance first, you know. That me should have blocked now, you know, like how chance are right there, so. Shit, my turn. Anyways, guys, my battery reached 9%. May I sign off, you know. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Short, spicy video.